Micron is officially moving dirt. So what does that actually mean for Central New York homeowners? It's big news, and yes, it does matter. This isn't an overnight, let's flip the switch moment. A lot of growth has already happened because of Micron, and Central New York has largely caught up to the national average for home values. And that's important because we were lagging behind for years. So, in Boise, Idaho, where Micron already has a major presence, let's take a look at what real estate is doing out there. A colonial home around 2,300 square feet, priced near $550,000, carries roughly $2,700 a year in total property taxes. That's $2,700 a year for a property value of $550,000. No, we're not all moving to Boise. So here in Central New York, a similar priced home in Clay recently closed around $635,000 with total property taxes closer to $18,000 a year. Yeah, $18,000. Property taxes are divided by 12. I know you know that. Your mortgage on a 30-year loan is divided by 360. Taxes play a major role in monthly affordability. Why are you telling me this? Because in Onondaga County, the median household income is around $75,000 a year, and income levels combined with property taxes naturally influence how fast home values are going to rise. Yes, Micron matters and growth will continue, but our tax structure and income reality shape how that growth shows up in housing prices. Smart decisions come from understanding the math and looking beyond the headline. So yay, Micron is coming. To all my negative Nellies, they're coming. And we are going to have continued growth. So congratulations, Central New York. But we still have our property taxes. Find yourself with a growing list of things you're trying to fix. That's where people really need to pause. Maybe you want your own bathroom, bigger bedrooms, kids are completely on top of one another. At that point, you might be spending the actual cost of a house trying to make your current one something that was never designed to be. So fix it when the location is everything. Move when the list of fixes starts to outweigh the value of staying. Upsizing can be a great move, but here's where most people go astray. They focus on square footage instead of lifestyle. What people often focus on is how big the house is, not how they actually live in it. Before you even start touring homes, you need to know and remember the issues you're trying to solve. Is it storage? Is it bedrooms that don't function? Are you missing a family room? This is also something your agent should help you stay focused on, especially once the eye candy shows up, because more space doesn't automatically fix those problems if the layout still works against you. Once we start touring homes with beautiful finishes and big rooms, it's easy to forget what you were trying to solve in the first place. Upsizing works best when it's intentional and you have a plan, not just bigger.